What should I do if I can't find my baby's heartbeat with a home-based fetal Doppler?
Hello there. Today we're going to address a situation that could be worrying for expectant parents. What to do if you can't find your baby's heartbeat with a home-based fetal Doppler. It's important to understand the steps to take in this scenario, but remember, don't panic. There could be many reasons why you might not be able to detect a heartbeat.
Why can't I hear my baby's heartbeat?
Sometimes, it might be challenging to detect a baby's heartbeat with a home Doppler device. This could be due to several reasons. Early pregnancy. It's harder to detect the heartbeat during the early stages of pregnancy, typically before 12 weeks. Baby's position. The baby's position in the womb might also make it difficult to detect the heartbeat. Inexperience. Not being familiar with using a Doppler device can also make it hard to find the heartbeat.
What steps should I take?
If you can't find your baby's heartbeat with your home Doppler, here's what you should do. 1. Reposition. Try changing your position or the angle of the Doppler probe. This might help pick up the heartbeat if your baby is in an awkward position. 2. Wait and try again. If you still can't find the heartbeat, take a break and try again later. Your baby might move into a better position in the meantime. 3. Stay calm. Don't panic. Remember, there are various reasons why you might not be hearing the heartbeat. If, after repeated attempts, you still can't hear your baby's heartbeat, it's crucial to reach out to a healthcare professional immediately.
When should I seek medical help?
While home Doppler devices can provide reassurance, they are not meant to replace professional medical advice. If you are unable to find your baby's heartbeat and are worried, contact your healthcare provider right away. They can provide a comprehensive examination and provide accurate information about your baby's health. Thank you for watching. We understand that not being able to hear your baby's heartbeat at home can be nerve-wracking, but don't let panic set in. Remember, it can be challenging to locate a fetal heartbeat, especially in the early stages of pregnancy or if you're not experienced with using a Doppler device. Always contact a healthcare provider if you're worried or unable to detect the heartbeat after multiple attempts. Take care, and we hope this video has been helpful.